what's up guys, Coach Paul here. Today I'm going to go over some basic combos with you on my... Our next punch is a cross. You're in front of your bag. If you're a conventional fighter, your cross is going to be your right hand. Okay, if you're a southpaw, your cross is going to be your left hand. I'm a conventional fighter, so my cross is my back hand, which is my right. Alright, so I'm in my fighting stance, in position. Each hand's on the side of the face, hands are up. When I throw the cross, most people throw the arm first, okay? It's just an arm punch. You want to pull the shoulder back, releasing the cross off your face as you pivot on your back foot. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate it slow a few times, and then I'll pick up the pace. Notice I pull the shoulder back, releasing the cross off my face, and I'm turning my right hand over. Straight down the pipe, and then I bring it straight back out, and it's back in, I'm back in position for a counter punch or a block or defend or whatever. Okay, now I'm going to pick up the pace. Do two more. All right, that's a cross.